Hey fam, welcome back. I am so happy you clicked on this video today. As you can see by the title, I am doing something that has never been done on my channel before, and that is a challenge. Yes, we are doing the 5-minute makeup challenge, which means, guess what? I'm about to try to beat this face in 5 minutes. Can that be done? I don't know. Anybody who can do it, I think you're a pro. Secretly, I don't think I can do it. But you know, I'm going to try to hype myself up and think that I can, okay? So, I don't have anything on my face right now. I'm about to try to beat this face. Got my phone. I'm going to put the timer on. We are setting this bad boy for 5 minutes. Okay. So yeah, I don't think I'm lying. We doing 5 minutes. I actually need to probably set some stuff up first. But I'm just going to keep it simple. And I'm just going to try to do this. No setup. I ain't got nothing ready. I'm just like, I'm here. I'm out here in these streets. Okay. Y'all want to see my makeup bag? It looks ridiculous. But bam. It looks a mess. I don't know how I'm going to find anything. So, I definitely need a new one. I've gotten more products. It is what it is. So, I will start this timer now. I'm nervous. Y'all wish me luck. Okay. So, here we go. Pressing start. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, hold up. I can't cuss. I'm sorry. I don't even know what I'm looking for. I'm gonna start with my foundation. My skirt thing doesn't work, which is why I'm putting it on my face like this. I know it's not sanitary, but it's mine, so who cares? Oh, child. I can't dab fast enough. Oh my god, I just realized my eyebrow stuff is not in here. I left it in the bathroom. It has already been, I only have, oh my god, I only got 3 minutes left, y'all. 3 minutes and some change. So I'm gonna go in with some concealer real quick. Oh my gosh. I am about to look a hot mess. How can people do this? Oh my god. I'm gonna use it. Okay, we're obviously not getting the lashes today. 5 minutes for my eyebrows alone. 15, really, on a regular day. Brows take forever. Yeah, I'm about to lose. Crazy, like. Okay, where's my contour? Contour. Here we go. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, yeah. I look a mess. Blend. I don't have time to switch brushes. I got 1 minute and 50 seconds, y'all. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Where is my powder? don't even know what my freaking setting powder brush is. Like, oh, I have no clue where it's at. Oh my god, I'm about to die. Okay, I found it. Ooh, buddy. Buddy. We are not baking today, obviously. Oh my god, I got a minute and 7 seconds. Okay. Like, I need some brows or something. Brows come through. I'm not even gonna be able to use. Oh my god, I'm about to look crazy. "28 seconds. Oh my god, I look like a clown. Where is my nose? Where is my red nose? This is crazy, y'all. I look a mess. 3 seconds. Oh my god. Okay. Goodbye, timer. Y'all, look at my face. That's crazy. Who told somebody they could do a full face in 5 minutes? I look like boo. Well, it was worth a try. I'm actually gonna finish this face and I will be back to converse with you all afterwards. Okay, so I am back with the final look, and as you can see, I failed tremendously. I'm kind of hurt about it. I really am. I'm really kind of hurt. Like, I knew I wasn't gonna finish in 5 minutes, but I definitely thought I would get further than what I did. Y'all, 5 minutes goes by so fast. That's crazy. Oh my god. This has definitely been the definition of a challenge. But there is always next time, because I am going to make sure that I am able to do a beat face in 5 minutes, y'all. Mark my words. I'm coming for it. I'm going to do it again. And I'm gonna beat it this time. Okay? I think. Thank y'all so much for watching. I had so much fun doing this challenge, and I cannot wait to do another one. Okay, so y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and smash that like button and hit that subscribe button and comment down there, please. And y'all make sure y'all go check out my other content. You know, I got a few other videos that I know you ain't seen yet. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. I know you ain't seen it yet. So go ahead, click the links, and go watch my other content, because I'm trying to build a family here. So thanks again for watching, and of course I'll be back next week, next Thursday, with another video. Thanks. Bye.